Hi, this is James from the Hornbill technical support team, and this is a short tutorial to show you how to configure filters for profiles. So this will be both for the problem profiles and resolution profiles. So this will actually apply to all versions of Supportworks and ITSM, ITSMF, etc. So I'm going to show you initially here how to filter based on the forms. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that I have a few preset and configured profiles, just easy ones such as hardware, software, and a couple of resolution profiles as well. So what you do need to know is that when you're filtering profiles on your forms, you'll only be able to filter based on the first level. So I have the log new incident form here. When you're filtering profiles, you will need to filter based on the log new call form and the details form if you so wish. It's up to yourselves whether you do want to filter based on both, but it's recommended to do that way purely to keep it the same. So I'm going to quickly show you here the profiles. It's showing both here, and you can see the code that's associated with them. That's very important because that's what we're going to actually do the filter based on. It's not based on the actual display name. We're going to do it based on the code. So this is HRDW. So now we know this is HRDW. What I'm going to do is just filter it so it only shows hardware profiles. So I'm going to go into the Tools menu and configure this form. We have a option here that says profile filter, so I'm just going to add in here code equals then a apostrophe HRDW apostrophe. So I'm just going to apply that and OK that, and when I open up the log new incident form again, go into profiles, it only shows me hardware ones. So you can also use like statements or not like or not equals to. That will also work in this scenario. So you need to do exactly the same thing for the details forms, and obviously for all of the particular call classes as well, such as log new problem, log new service request, so you can configure them as you wish. So obviously this is just purely data dictionary specific. So if you do have multiple data dictionaries, you'll need to apply this on all of them. Okay, so now we're going to move across to the resolution profiles. So let's open up a already logged call. And you'll see that when we go to actions and resolve call, it's going to pick up both education and patch. So again, I'm going to take down one of the ones. I'm going to keep it so education is the only one that appears. So DCTN, and now we're going to go to the data dictionary. Okay, so which is in the administration and then edit current data dictionary. If you expand the global parameters section, and then we have close call form. So we're going to add in two parameters from within here. The first one being which is the resolve profile filter. So we're going to go file, new string value. We're going to name it resolve profile filter, and it does matter what the name of that is called purely because of that's how it's coded in the system. And then I'm going to add a value here of same thing what we did before, code equals, so this time it's DCTN, which is our education one. Click OK. And I'm also going to add one more string value for the close profile filter. Code equals DCTN. There we go. You may wish to ignore this particular one at the top here, profile call filter. It can be quite confusing, but it's these two are the correct parameters. So I'm just going to save that. And it's going to take a few seconds to save, so I'm just going to pause the video at this point. Okay, now that's been saved, I'm going to click on OK. And you'll realise now the reason why we've put in two different resolution and close filters when you resolve a call, so actions and resolve / close call, you do have the option of both, to resolve the call and to close the call. So you can actually apply a filter at both stages. So if I'm going to resolve the call, we'll show here that, as we can see, it has filtered down to just the education, and it should be exactly the same for close call, which it is. So that's it. That's all about the filtering of profiles based on the login of the call. Obviously you can filter it based on the details form, and also for resolution profiles. Just make sure that obviously you save the data dictionary after you're making changes, and just asking your analyst to re-log in. And that's it.